In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a data connection in Power BI Desktop. If you're cleaning up an old report, switching to a different server or file, or preparing a report to share without your credentials, removing a data connection is quick and safe. You're not deleting any source data. You're simply telling this report to stop using that connection. Start in Power BI Desktop and look to the very top left corner. Click File. This opens the main application menu where you manage your project and access settings. From there, go down to Options and Settings. This area controls how Power BI talks to your data and stores credentials for it. Next, select Data Source Settings. A dialog will open listing the data sources Power BI knows about. At the top, you'll usually see two scopes: Current File and Global Permissions. Current File shows the connections used by the report you have open right now. That's typically where you want to work when you're cleaning up a specific report. Find the data source that's connected to your current report. If you're not sure which one it is, look for a familiar server name, file path, or connector type like SQL Server, SharePoint, or Excel. Select that data source, then right-click and choose Delete. Depending on the connector, you might instead see options like Disconnect or Clear Permissions. The wording varies, but the idea is the same. Remove the link and any saved credentials so this report no longer pulls data from that source. If a confirmation prompt appears, accept it to finalize the change. A few helpful notes as you do this. Deleting a data connection only affects this report. It does not remove or modify the underlying database or files. Any visuals, queries, or tables that relied on that connection will show errors until you reconnect or point them to a new source. If delete is grayed out, make sure you're on the Current File tab rather than Global Permissions. If you're intentionally removing a connection from all reports on your machine, use Global Permissions, but be aware that other reports may also lose access. If you'll need to reconnect later, jot down the server or file path before you delete so you can re-enter it easily. That's all there is to it. Click File, go to Options and Settings, open Data Source Settings, select the source you no longer need, and delete or disconnect it. This keeps your report tidy, avoids broken credentials, and makes future maintenance simpler.